not
I
the
didn't
sister.
tell him.
Oh, you didn't tell?
My cousin Tinker found out from you. And she called.
Oh my God.
Yes, my baby is moving, my baby is healthy, and I taking prenatal vitamins.
So your baby is moving inside you and everything? You feel the baby?
Yeah.
Okay.
I eat for that.
Yeah, because somebody also mentioned to me that it's a possibility that you might not be pregnant, might be some type of tumor. Or it don't look like a pregnant belly, like a tumor.
Right.
I'm trying to dot all my, I's and cross all my T's with all the questions people said. But it don't like no tumor to me. I look pretty round. Huh? The viewers.
That's much is here now.
Yeah. Can I touch the belly? Oh, let me touch it. Oh yeah, y'all. I don't know. That's like a pregnant belly, if you ask me.
That's funny.
You pregnant as hell, girl. You said what? He does that in your stomach?
No, I just feel all of them.
Oh. So people have said that they've seen you like sleeping out. What? It's kicking.
Yeah,
Oh, let me feel it. Right here. Oh, I do feel it right here. Yeah.
Stop playing.
Yeah, that baby is moving, yo. That baby is moving for real. That ain't no damn tumor. Yo, this girl is pregnant for real. I can see the lump a little bit too right here. Yeah. Oh yeah, look. You hurting yourself trying to deliver this baby on the streets.
Oh no, I ain't no crazy bitch.
Alright, you say that now, but these people having babies out here in the streets and baby Isaiah out here.
What is his
name?
That is my movie.
Yeah, Father Isaiah, something like that? Losing Isaiah, yeah. I don't want you losing little Sabrina out here, girl. We don't need that.
I don't know.
Because we need you in the city, man. Everybody love you. Everybody care for you. And we don't want you being hurt. And you not being here anymore. Or your baby. All right?
I better listen to that. Who is it? Mary. I just can't give up now.
Mm-hmm.
Well, I better go
I need to watch it go in. I need to... Gotta hold this girl so she don't fall over with this baby. Sabrina. Lord. Y'all, welcome to JerseyzConcrete. Please hit that subscribe button. Please comment. Please like. And hit that notification bell right there on the subscribe button. Thank you guys for everything. Please support the channel. Hit the Cash App. Listen, it helps the channel out a lot. So, thank you again, guys. We can take it to the hospital to get your baby checked. Let me see if she over here, y'all. I'm gonna show you guys exactly where she at. Or where she be. And this could be her on the floor. Hold on. Where's Sabrina? Hey, Abby. You see Sabrina? You got a girl, Abby. That's Sabrina right there? That might be Sabrina right there. Hold on, y'all. Hey, you see Abby? I mean, not Abby. Sabrina. Is that her right there on the floor? You got Abby and Sabrina right there. This girl, man. That's her. She ain't gonna be able to go. She ain't gonna be able to go. Yeah, that's her. You look like her. She look little. That's not Sabrina? Is it? No, that ain't Sabrina. Is that her? That is her. Come on, girl. You coming to Bridges with me? You gonna be? Is she gonna be under? Is she gonna be good enough? Alright, y'all. She coming, y'all. She taking her sweet time, but she coming. Oh. She coming, y'all. She coming. I was able to convince her, y'all. So we about to go get her ID. I already contacted Miss Bragg. So Miss Bragg is gonna be there waiting for us. So we're gonna get Sabrina a certified birth certificate and get this ball rolling. And hopefully, she let me take her to the hospital too. If she let me take her to the urgent care to get an ultrasound on the baby, that'd be beautiful. You go, Miss Bragg. There she go right there, Sabrina.
Hi, Sabrina.
Hello, beautiful.
You know me?
Yes, I do.
Okay, because I just seen you outside the Family Dollar, girl. You slum, girl.
We friends on Instagram too, girl.
Y'all friends on Instagram? Get the hell out of here. All right, see, Miss Brad, she be outside doing that work. You know, I like your sweater.
You recorded me when I was with Mia with the sweater
I was?
at the hospital.
I didn't compliment you?
No.
Well, it's nice. All right, Sabrina. So we here to get your birth certificate and your ID, your county ID. Right?
Yes.
Now, who says Sabrina ain't doing what?
Oh shit! Miss
Tell
Sabrina.
you one thing.
Sabrina Gambler's done.
Okay? Because I always want, you don't have to tell everybody what you doing with your business. Keep it a secret. They gonna always say, oh, you ain't doing nothing to take care of yourself, da da da. The same way you ain't doing that, you outside smoking your weed and whatever else, drinking. What about you, not me?
Right.
Because at the end of the day, I'm good.
So Sabrina, she hit it.
Eric,
You welcome, girl. If people say I'll be helping you girls out.
I do have to pay, right? For the
You can
ID.
pee in the bathroom.
No, I see pay.
What you say?
I say I do have to pay for the ID, right?
No.
Nah.
When I called, they said I had to pay $20.
So we
Yeah.
got
Skirt got her finger all in my gum.
The county ID, that's gonna be free, and then the state ID, when you make the appointment, we'll pay for it for you.
Yeah, so I'm going to the county. I mean,
So we need
State
your
ID.
social security card, your birth certificate to get the state ID.
you know, I want this, the purple one. I want the purple card.
The purple card.
It say North City.
Oh, county. We're gonna do county. It's blue.
What? She all up in my.
Putting the smell goods on.
Putting the smell good. It just. You say you going shopping. It smell good. Don't worry.
I said I always go shopping in his car.
Word. Like what the hell's going on? Her and Abby just did the same little thing. Like,
You stop comparing me to her.
oh, look, what's up with you and Abby? Like you.
Ain't nothing up. You know these motherfuckers. I looked up after washing my feet. I looked up, we rolling off.
What happened?
And I just dropped her off the who know where.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I don't know. Something about her and Abby and me. She just.
That's my girl. That's my girl.
Alright. It's like, you don't want me around Abby?
Lying and say, hey,
Oh, yo. Yo.
y'all need to know that.
Nah, Sabrina, why would you say something like that? That's not true. You don't be looking at me like that. That's crazy. Okay, Miss Bragg, stop playing, bro. Like, that's crazy,
I
right?
don't know, we on her time.
Yeah, hurry up, man, because I'm about to toss you out. Like Jazzy Jeff out this car the way you talking. Hurry up. You want to get out? Girl, come on, come on.
What?
You better use all me. You about to.
Look at it.
Yeah, you don't get nothing out of there. Don't worry about it. Go ahead. You got some supplies in there? You could give her like lotion or something?
I got my own.
We got lotion.
My
But why-
lotion ran out.
But you sticking your whole little finger in my shit. Hey, yo. unhinged, yo. Give my damn. What the? That's enough.
No. I got that off the I gotta fight with. All my life I had to fight.
So you want to go in there without me and I find parking? I come in there.
There's some fine ass men in there.
Oh my God.
What?
You pregnant?
Did she say it's prison?
Hey, yo. Some fine ass men in there.
It's a fine ass waiver for your birth certificate. A fine ass county ID waiting for you. Yes.
Okay.
Hey, yo. This girl's unhinged, man. So you said once we apply for a birth certificate, in 2 days I come and pick it up or something like that, you said? Kayla?
Yeah, 110 William Street.
On William Street.
Mm-hmm. Where you gonna find parking at?
Tell my social security card I was
I gotta get your waiver for medical records, and then you go to university and get your medical records and bring it back, and we apply for it for you.
Wait, say that again.
So I'm gonna give you a waiver to
Don't louder, you're not okay here.
I'm gonna give you a referral for medical records, and you'll take it to UMD. They'll give you your medical records. You'll bring it back here, and then we'll apply for your social security card, and it'll be mailed
But you
here.
know, I could go to Social Security and apply for my card.
Okay, but you need your medical records.
But I don't need to do
But
that.
you need a state ID or your
I
medical
got it.
records.
When we leave here, my husband. When we leave here,
You gonna go get your medical records? So I'm gonna get your.
I'm going to call my godmother.
Uh-huh.
She had my birth certificate and my Social Security card.
So you have that stuff.
I do remember giving it to her. Because when I moved from when I moved with my girlfriend, Britt, or Aston, I gave it to her. The whole guy was running around. And then that was it. But
So what you wanna do today? You wanna get a county ID?
I can still do what I gotta do. Ain't nothing wrong with getting a new one.
But I need your birth
Because
certificate.
I'm not,
You need
I
your birth
remember. But
You want to apply for the birth certificate just in case, anyway?
that's what I said.
Yeah. We're going to do that anyway.
But she said she got a social security card too.
Right.
Yeah.
You got your your godmother have your social security card.
Supposedly.
Well, we need to know.
But we're going to do everything anyway. I want to get everything done because I can't do...
I'm gonna have it too.
I can't do supposedlys and maybes. I need
to get my. When I turn 18, I was gonna get my state ID. That's a state ID, right? Motivated.
Yeah.
Yeah. You know how like older people have their shit for a long ass time. Mine was folded down, like that. You know the bitch had to give us a hard time, man, mine. Oh, we can't have a line and the birth certificate. I gotta get a new one. Oh,
Okay, but we're gonna get you a new one, girl.
no, I know. I'm saying that was at that time. Like,
Alright, so...
what?
Alright, so...
Go to bed.
I said, go get on out. Let me go find some parking, and I'll come and meet you in there. All right?
Oh, you want to buy what?
Yeah. And Miss Bragg, she's on lunch. She's doing us a favor right now. I owe her lunch. She said.
Yeah.
I don't know. What?
What we getting? What we getting?
Get to it.
What we getting for lunch?
Oh, we got lunch.
What? Wait. Yeah, they got food in there.
You don't like the snack bags?
Like that.
Snap bags.
I said, well, are we getting from him for lunch?
What? Oh hell no! Y'all book. Get out, please. Hurry up. I got. Please go ahead. Watch your step, please, girl. I don't need you falling.
I don't need that nothing.
No, you don't. You should be alright. Please don't. You good? Do not hop. Come here, Miss Brad. Come, just in case she pregnant as hell. You got it? Alright, please don't fall. Yeah. I'm always cautious with her when she get out this car.
I know I don't play. There's the will, there's the way.
This girl's a mess, yo.
Yeah. This is my brother's so.
Alright, go ahead.
I was like some ass.
Come on, girl. What? You already smell good with my Muslim oil. What you spraying down there? Come on.
I smell good with my bar soap too.
Alright, let me go ahead and get parking.
I used to be like that. How do you do? Oh. I'm tired of hearing that.
Alright, please. Hurry up, girl.
I see all of this.
You see all that.
You like don't watch me do all this. Let's talk about he need a motherfucker clean out.
Hey, let me talk about my car, yo. Close the door, please. This girl got no cleats. Oh, we gotta get her some shoes, y'all. We gonna get her some. What's your shoe size, Sabrina? This girl got on cleats. What's your shoe size? Huh? What's your shoe size? 4? Alright, I'm gonna get you some shoes. Not today, but I'm gonna get you some shoes. Come on, girl. I got Sabrina about to walk in there with Miss Bragg. Please don't follow her. She's known for that. She going in with Miss Bragg. I'm gonna go find some parking, and I might have to give freaking Miss Bragg some lunch. This girl. You see what I'm talking about? She would take a sweet time. Like, hurry up.
When I see her come in, I'm like, I know who that is.
Well, I'm happy it's a familiar face, you know. She's really good people's, man. She helped me out with China a lot.
What?
With China, the girl. The one with the leg.
What you say?
She helped me out with China a lot.
Oh.
Yeah, so I got you in some good hands. Don't worry. I need you to meet me halfway with everything. Remember, we gotta get that ultrasound, get the baby check. So.
Yo, that's the day. Let me tell you about this little nugget in here. Yo.
You ready, girl? Goddamn bell.
That motherfucker head was.
Damn, the head was right there.
But you seen it?
Oh, you seen the head popping up?
Look. You seen it moving and the head pulling up and going another way.
Damn.
Yo.
Yeah, let's get this going, because I don't know, 6 months, 7 months, 4 months, we don't know. We need to get this check immediately.
No, I'm probably more than that. I'm wanting to know.
What you mean? So what you think you are in months? You know, you're not sure?
I ain't do this time, man.
We need to find out ASAP, because if your water break in the streets, that's gonna be a problem. And you know, these people out here, they ain't your friends. Like, they might not even call for help.
Oh, I ain't got nothing.
Yeah, I'm saying, if you out there in the streets and your water break,
Your girl short damn sure lied about her.
What?
Bitch, you got that about. Oh, good.
Hurry up, because Miss Bragg waiting for you, girl.
Oh, now I'm doing my other chat. My other partner.
Cause your lips already lubricated enough. They look fine.
They ain't popping like I want them to.
Yo. Oh my god. Sabrina.
No,
Don't worry about it. You good. I'm telling you. I ain't gonna lie to you. Your lips is popping right now. They popping.
What's the hot dog dog? Did she say she wanted to eat?
I don't know. She didn't say what she wanted to eat.
I'm talking about you now.
I don't know. She was just talking shit.
I'm hungry at it.
Alright, come on, girl. Go ahead. She waiting for you. And I got somewhere to be, remember.
Oh, you waiting on me?
Yep. Sabrina, you smell good already.
I know. But happy.
Alright, it's the door right there on the side.
Where do I go?
Straight ahead. When that truck come pulling out at, you walk over there and it's right on your right. I'm gonna yeah. I'm gonna drive next to you. Sabrina about to get her ID, y'all. About to get her birth certificate, get all her credentials.
I might want to flirt with the cop.
Oh.
You got it. It was my big pocket.
Oh, you got it? Okay. But apply inside the building, girl.
Apply it.
Apply it inside the building, but it don't matter. You already committed. It's already gone.
If it's apply it, I don't want to know what.
Bye, yo. I'm gonna watch you. Look at her. She. I ain't see no booger. Alright, come on now.
Keep it boy average, y'all.
What?
Keep it boy average.
I'm waiting for you to go inside the building. Now they know how long I be waiting for you now. Now they see what's going on. Yo, I be waiting for this girl forever. I'm a park right where you need to go. Hold on, y'all. Oh, the door's already open. Alright. Go ahead, girl. Go ahead. I gotta make sure she go in there, y'all. Hold on. Back in the car. It's not doing what she procrastinated. Hurry up, girl.
I scared.
You bringing it with you?
That's what
Oh, okay. Oh, God. I need to watch it go in. I need to... All right, Sabrina, go inside, please.
What is it that they can help you with?
No, she gotta be African. Yes, she's African. Me? I'm African. Yeah, you're African too.
Shit.
You're African. That's where your ancestors from.
Shit.
Yeah, African.
No, the hell they not.
Yeah.
Sabrina, can you go inside, please?
African.
And put the cigarette.
What she need help?
No, Miss Bragg already waiting for her.
Oh, Miss Bragg.
Yeah,
What's her name?
Miss Bragg been waiting for like the past 15 minutes. Come on, shut up.
Yeah, Miss, hold on, let me deal with something else.
Miss,
What's
she
her
could,
name?
Miss, huh?
What's her name?
Sabrina.
All right, let me tell her.
She know. We was just talking to her inside the car. Inside the car.
She gotta come inside it.
She
She got
got-
smoking.
Smoking a damn cigarette.
All right.
I guess that's when we saw our problems. Sabrina, you smoking a cigarette. It's not. What the hell? I'm gonna find Park. I'll be back. Make sure she don't run off, please.
We can't make sure she'll run off. She's a grown woman at the end of the day.
Exactly, but still.
We can't tell her don't run off. This ain't we put you in and
She think it's funny.
if she has to see Miss Bragg, we let her come in, go to Miss Bragg.
Aye.
You're my friend. Well, with that birthday 5/14.
Aye, I'll be back. Lord. Alright, y'all saw that. So I'm gonna give Miss Bragg some lunch. this trip has cost me quite a bit of money. Alright, y'all, so that's for Miss Bragg. And you too, man. So now, got Miss Bragg her lunch. Real quick, Miss Bragg just recently got Mia her birth certificate. So Mia is on a good path right now. So Miss Bragg is still behind the scenes doing what she does best, and that's helping the people. So now it's time to help Sabrina a little behind. And hopefully by the time I walk back to the facility where Miss Bragg is at, hopefully little mama is already inside the building. Now I need to get home quick because all my hoodies and packages are actually on the way, literally as I speak. So yeah. And like in the next hour, maybe less, I don't need my merch on my porch just sitting there. Hopefully my tenant could do something. Oh, there's Miss Bragg right there. Alright guys, let me go. Alright y'all, so come on baby, come on. Thank you. Alright man, so this little girl, not a little girl, little woman is still sitting. I don't know how. Sabrina, what the heck? You done smoking? You ready? Come on. You spraying again? Thank you, sir. Oh, you gotta sign that. Hold on. Let's go in here. Sleep. I'm trying to do this shit for it. Birth certificate. Let's do all that. I'm just asking the questions because it's taking forever. I just put black effort. She's single. Y'all, this is a lot. Sabrina, wake up, girl. Man, freaking knocked out. You snoring while I'm trying to do this. Resident alien. I don't know what that even mean. Current health insurance. I'm doing everything. Let me see. I'm gonna do it faster. Put my Bragg up here. Okay, I gotta hold this girl so she don't fall over with this baby. Sabrina. Sit right here. Huh?
I'm very sorry about what I did. I wasn't trying to do it. I wasn't, because if I'm talking about business. I'm talking about the lady.
You need to go to you got Medicaid? The process. You don't go to the doctor there.
I've been to the hospital.
The hospital? And what they say?
Said what they say.
I didn't hear you today.
What they say?
What?
What they say?
At the hospital.
Actually, I went, it was cold outside, and I was in Johnson, where security called in. When they put those sticky things on me, I heard them say, oh my God, she's pregnant. I jumped up like, oh my God, I need to ultrasound too.
You get SSI or SSD?
SSA.
How much you get?
Huh?
How much you get? You get food stamps?
I was
You gotta be certified. And you're pregnant. When your due date?
She don't know yet.
She don't know yet?
Nah. Your due date, but we don't know that yet. Girl. I don't know if she's tired or mix a little bit of both. No.
You have a physical disability, Sabrina?
Sabrina?
You have a physical disability?
Do I have a physical disability?
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. Do you have a learning disability?
Huh?
A learning disability?
Yes.
Do you have a chronic health condition? Asthma? Diabetes?
You have a chronic health condition?
You gotta be on Suboxone.
Don't pull up.
I think you gotta be on Suboxone.
For the Mommy and Me program. You wouldn't do
You wanna
Suboxone?
go to the you wanna go to detox?
So that way I would bring my baby home, like.
Yeah, it'll be you and your baby.
With the
It'll be you and your baby, and you focus on being clean.
Yeah.
with the Mommy and Me.
You gotta be on Suboxone.
I find me a doctor.
You gotta be on Suboxone.
Oh, no problem.
Okay.
You wanna go to detox?
You like to go to detox? Sabrina. We like to go to detox.
Huh?
We like to go to detox for the Mommy and Me and be on Suboxone. Will you do that?
I know I was doing detox when I was in the hospital.
Okay. Are you willing to do?
My toe.
Huh? You say? Sabrina, will you go do a detox for the Mommy and Me and get on Suboxone?
How can my client become? How can she come to the program?
So she has active DCPP?
No, she's pregnant.
I know, but she don't have nice vision in her life?
No.
Child protection? Okay.
Lay back, girl. I want you falling over.
We're gonna, so write this email down. Admissions@evensvillage.org. Admissions with S.
Sit back.
At evensvillage.org.
I'm trying to get her inside the building. Let's see if she
With an S on the end of admissions though, okay? Okay. So, we need, she's not coming in with any other kids, she's just pregnant. How much pregnant are she?
She doesn't know.
You know, 3 weeks, 2 months?
She hungry. She doesn't know.
You need to know that. That's very important to us.
I understand that, but I can't. Okay.
When was the last time she went to the OBGYN?
She doesn't. That's the problem. She doesn't go to OBGYN. She went to the hospital.
Okay.
sit back, girl.
This is information that we need to know. When she figures all of that out,
What?
we'll call back, okay?
You
Wow.
have a nice day.
Wow. Sit back. Well, if she's homeless, how the hell is she going to know all that kind of information? Sit back, Sabrina. Sabrina. Sit back, girl. I can't be holding you. You heavy. You little, but you heavy. Oh, Lord, just... Cut the camera. This girl.
I'm having about this. This is Kayla Brad from Bridges. I was confused about the program that's on North 14th Street for moms that's pregnant.
Okay, so let me give you the contact.
Okay.
Let me give you the contact number over there. Hold on one second.
We can definitely connect her with a shelter. We would actually partner with these shelters, and we can give her some resources regarding that. We partner with IDEA.
So I'm saying, like, because I had toured the facility and there's rooms in there. Are those rooms not for mothers in the program, or they can't stay there, or?
So The rooms on the facility, at the site, I would have to ask my supervisor about that. I'm not sure the process for that. Yeah, so is this a good callback number?
Yeah.
Okay. And what's your name?
Oh, my name's Kayla Brad.
Sabrina, I don't know why she got on cleats. I gotta get her some shoes. That I didn't know she had on cleats earlier. Sabrina, girl, wake up.
No.
Sabrina,
Get a birth certificate, then.
Cause I can't get no county. I mean no what you call it? We don't have to get nobody like this year. Nobody.
Sabrina, wake up. Wake up, girl.
Veronica?
This girl,
Veronica?
she's in a
You made a copy for me?
hibernation mode.
I said you don't need nothing else from me. And he said
Oh,
yes.
I'm
At
sorry.
the end of the day.
I just thought about it. I'm sorry.
Sabrina, wake up. She got a question.
Sorry.
Where the daddy?
Huh?
Where the daddy at?
He's around.
Do you
He's
help
at
you?
work right now.
Do you help you?
Yes.
Okay. You stay at his house?
Last thing,
Yeah.
no, I see him every Sunday though.
Every Sunday?
It's a deal.
Oh, okay. I got your waiver for your birth certificate.
You, let's get it. Don't look at me like that. Let's get it. You got your waiver for your birth certificate.
I'm pending a referral for you for the Mommy and Me program. Okay? I'm not finished yet.
You heard
Is
us?
there anything else you want me to put in here?
For the,
Yeah.
I'm just putting in a referral for you for the Mommy and Me program. Is there anything else you want me to put in the and about you and what you need? Or you want me to do it for you?
So you want to send it to me now?
No. I'm going to put in a referral for you. But is there anything else you want me to put in here for you
for the Mommy and Me program.
that you want them to know?
But let her know she's a little person though, for sure. Oh my God. All right, sit back again, cause I can't be catching you and the baby.
This your first baby? Okay.
You know anybody else that do what I do, Miss Bragg?
No. You know anybody that do what I do?
Not personally, no.
Okay. Oh, but you do know others.
I know
But you
of,
just know.
but
You just know
not,
me personally.
not to the extent that you do things. You go the extra mile.
Oh, thanks.
You do.
Yeah.
You go the extra mile. I must say that. So I don't know nobody that do what you do. God, I got we both looking homeless. So I'm looking crazy as hell.
Veronica?
Yeah, I ain't gonna forget.
Well, why you gonna have Oh, he gonna explain it right to you, girl. They're gonna call him.
They gonna call
And
me.
he's gonna come find you, and you gonna get sent right where you need to go. Okay?
Can you give me some snacks for 2
Sure
bags?
can.
Please.
All right.
Give me 2. She eating for 2.
Okay.
Alright? Come on. Let's give the girl her goodie bag. You're welcome. There you go, girl. Thank you, Ivy. Bye. Alright, girl.
We got the job. Dun. But so far, and I will be done. I'll be getting my birth certificate and stuff by tomorrow. Who said Sabrina wasn't doing that? Ooh.
She did.
I'm not getting my destination.
You came with me like you said you would.
Forever.
You welcome, babe. You welcome.
He is the plug.
So I'm gonna go get the birth certificate myself. I don't need you because I got a waiver, and then we're gonna go back there so you get checked at the place. I check on the baby. All right. Thank you for coming, girl. Because yesterday when I saw you, had me scared. Like, oh boy, I hope she gonna be ready tomorrow. But I'm man of my word. I told you I was gonna come get you. I'm happy you was a woman of your word and you came with me. So let's do the mommy and me for you, man. For you and the baby. Mommy and me.
Oh
program.
yeah, we did that part too.
Yeah.
Who said I was gonna have that baby? Stop playing with me.
Exactly. All right, girl. Go ahead for a card call.
Yeah, me. I'm gonna be if it's a boy, or I'm naming him Tw3rks.
All right. I can't wait.
I'm going to the mommy and me. And what do that mean? That me and my baby going to be two together.
Yes, ma'am. Get the hell out of here. Love you, girl. You know that, right? I'll see you later.